Hello, my beautiful people. So, quick one. I've got like 3 minutes to finish this. So, yesterday I was emceeing at a concert that was organized by kaKhuzani, the Maskandi artist, right? And it had 2 different genres we line up. So the one genre was strictly Maskandi, and the other genre was a combination of hip hop, ngom, mapiano, what else? Yeah, I think so, because there was Casper, there was AKA, there was Lirato Khanyago, Tira, Kamumpela. So, and then there were Maskandi artists. So, I started emceeing just towards the end of Maskandi, right? I introduced AKA, I introduced Kamumpela, and then I introduced Dengan. Yeah. This is the first time I'm hearing of these artists, because I think obviously it's a different genre and I'm not really quite exposed to it. But let me tell you something. I was humbled. I was inspired, I was happy, I was shocked, I was surprised, pleasantly so. Guys, there's another world, and this world has its own life. Like, Maskandi, guys, rich, right, healthy, wealthy. I walked on stage, and usually when I walk on stage, like, people go crazy. No, they went crazy healthily. Ne? I thought it was crazy healthily. I saw Tira's performance, it was healthy. AKA's performance was healthy. Kamumpela's was healthy. And then Wangena Dengan. Hey. Hi guys. You know my superstar ngaphandle. This counts my superstar. Singama superstar bands. Or super megas. Mara. Super mega stars, like they are killing it. And that tells you that it's okay to stay in your lane, run your race at your own time. The pie is big for everybody. Bafika kaKhuzani. Wapupa. Angahlonipha Maskandi. Ngiyahlonipha. KZN. Yeah. You have showed me.